Welcome to Git Mastery, the complete series to take you from zero to Git Pro. I'm excited to kick things off with the most fundamental question. What exactly is Git? And why should every developer care? Imagine the year 2003. You're working on a project, saving files like report final v to actually final.doc. Sound familiar? Before version control existed, developers literally managed code bases through chaos, overwriting each other's work, losing months of progress, and having zero idea which version was actually running in production. Think of Git as a time machine for your code. Just like a time machine lets you visit any moment in history, Git lets you save a snapshot of your code at any point, jump back to any version instantly, branch into parallel timelines to experiment safely, and merge those timelines back together. Git doesn't just save your work, it gives you complete freedom to experiment without fear. Every time you save in Git, called a commit, it creates a node in a chain, like links in a necklace. Each commit has a unique ID, a message describing what changed, and a pointer back to the previous commit. This chain is your entire project history. You can jump to any commit, anytime, in milliseconds. The latest commit is called head. That's where you are right now. Here's something that makes Git smarter than older tools like SVN. While other version control systems track diffs, the changes between versions, Git stores complete snapshots of your entire project at every commit. This means reconstructing any version is instant. Unchanged files are shared efficiently, so storage stays lean. It's the snapshot approach that makes Git so incredibly fast. Git has three key areas you must understand. First, the working directory, your actual files on disk where you write code. Second, the staging area, a rehearsal stage where you carefully choose which changes to include in your next commit. Think of it like casting actors before a performance. Third, the repository, the .git folder that stores every commit, every snapshot, permanently and safely. Let's clear up the biggest confusion in the developer world. Git is not GitHub. Git is a tool you install on your own computer. It works completely offline, was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005, and is free and open source. GitHub, on the other hand, is a website owned by Microsoft that hosts Git repositories in the cloud so teams can collaborate. You use Git locally. GitHub is just one way to share that work online. So why does literally every professional developer use Git? You can undo any mistake instantly. You can branch off to experiment without touching the main code. Teams of hundreds can collaborate without conflict. You have a complete audit trail of every change ever made. It works offline, and it operates in milliseconds even on massive projects. 96% of developers worldwide use Git. It's the universal language of software collaboration. That's a wrap on episode 1. You now know what Git is, how it solves the chaos of manual versioning, how commits form a chain of history, and the key difference between Git and GitHub. In episode 2, we'll install Git on your machine and create your very first repository from scratch. Hit subscribe so you never miss an episode, and I'll see you in the next one.